Alright, I have my Brownie Hawkeye camera from 1949, I believe, because it doesn't have the little flash compartment thing you attach things to. So, I just bought film that expired in 1971, but who cares? I think it looks cool when you take pictures in expired film, so this is going to be a video of me putting this film in for the first time. I have never really done this before, so... Alright, so we're gonna open this. This package that has not been opened since 1971. Alright. I'm gonna put that to the side, and then we're gonna pop this open. There's that. Alright, so right here. And I guess we put this give me a sec, I need a knife for this. Alright, there we go. Probably just peel this all off. And we just pop this in here. If I can get it to. There we go. And then we just roll the film right over. And then I had to pop this thing out. Assuming we just pop this in here and just kind of roll it in. And then we just roll this until it gets tight. And we pop this in. And you look right here for the number. Hopefully I don't mess it up. I mean, I have more film anyway, so it shouldn't be the end of the world. And there we go. Oh, do I keep going? I guess I do. Because there's still arrows, I guess. I've been told you're supposed to look for a number. Verichrome pan 1. There we go. I think that's where you start.